Good morning, class. So, today in my online class, I have explained the students about special nouns and the common nouns. So, I am repeating it again once again in this video also. So, common nouns are the nouns which used to represent the whole class, like boy, girl, teacher, doctor, photographer, children, whereas special nouns are the nouns of a particular person or place. This I have explained just because only to explain that example given in page number 24, that Aladdin was a poor boy. Students, you can observe that in this sentence Aladdin and boy both are your nouns, where Aladdin is a proper noun and this is a common noun. So students, you should be sometimes you have to be careful that describing words are always used with a noun. So poor boy, small herd, magic lamp. Now these poor, small, magic are the words which used to describe the noun boy, heart and lamp. You can read similarly powerful genie, black eyes, three wishes, big round belly. So now all these words are describing the noun genie, eye, belly and wishes. So we on that basis we will do keeping this concept in our mind, we will start doing our worksheet, or we will start it from page number 25, question number 4. So now our first one, Cinderella was a beautiful girl. So you will fill it. Number 1, she had golden hair. Number 2, golden hair and blue eyes. Number 3, she lived with her two stepsisters. है ना, two stepsisters. They both were fat and ugly. 5 and 6, fat and ugly. They did not like Cinderella. Even her stepmother was cruel towards her. It should be in number 6. Cruel will be written in number 6. So again I am repeating it. Cinderella was a beautiful girl. She had golden hair and blue eyes. She lived with her two stepsisters. They both were fat and ugly. They did not like Cinderella. Even her stepmother was cruel towards her. Now what is in worksheet number 2? Read the following story. Some nouns have been underlined. Encircle the describing words for each of the underlined noun. So students, what we have to do, you can see in this whole worksheets the nouns are underlined, and what we have to do, we have to circle the describing words used for these nouns. So we will do it right now. Once upon a time there lived an old lady. Old is already here in circle. She was very poor. She led a lonely life. Now the underlined poor is also an adjective, but there underlined, there is no any noun there. So we will move ahead. And she led a lonely life. Now you can see life is underlined. So what we are going to circle? Lonely. And then one day she got a little lamb, and circle little, green eyes and white fur. Circle these words. The kind lady, again circle kind, started looking after the lovely lamb. Then one day a man who had red eyes, circle red, and a long beard, circle beard, to the old lady's small hut, and circle small. He told the lonely lady, again encircle lonely. He was the owner of the lovely lamb. Encircle lovely. The lady heard this and became sad. Seeing this, the man told her that he had come there only to see if the elderly lady was taking proper care of the small lamb. So elderly must be encircled. Was taking proper care of the small lamb. Encircle small. He did not want to take the innocent lamb back. Innocent should be encircled. Encircle innocent. The old lady thanked the kind man, and lived happily thereafter. So you will do this worksheet in this way, and after that we'll do it in our next class. Your home assignment will be this page. Let me explain you a little bit about this page. What do you have to do? See, you can see there are some nouns are written like bag, grapes, house, day, king and neighbor. What you have to do? You have to use few describing words for them. Like for example, new bag, torn bag, big bag, red bag, small bag. On that similarly, like your example done in your book, you will do with the rest of the naming words mentioned on page number 26. This will be your home assignment, and we'll do the next exercise in our next class.